Hey everyone, this is Reggie. Thanks for joining me and getting started on a plant-based meals that I've eaten in the past week for maximum weight loss. So let's get started. I'm glad you guys are with me right now. This is one of my favorites. I haven't used chickpeas before, but here I am doing it and doing it well. As you can tell, these are the ingredients that I'm going to put in. We're going to saute it in a pan, and we're going to use the peppers, the onions, also mushrooms. I did get light coconut milk, and that is very light, very low fat in it, so it's great. Also, the spinach will be the last thing that I put into the pan after sauteing everything together with the chickpeas. Using my favorite curry powder along with ground cinnamon. Going to saute this in water. We're using no oils, as you know, and with all the flavors and all the spices that we just saw here, and added in the coconut milk. And then we are going to let it simmer for about 15 minutes, and then I add in the spinach, as you can see. Just beautiful, vibrant colors here, and you're going to add it with any kind of your favorite rice, and I chose jasmine rice today. And there you go. Basically the 50-50 plate that will help you with the starches and the veggies and the beans. Yum. You can repurpose this as well, which will turn into the next day. I had my chickpeas again because I had leftovers and the jasmine rice, and I put that on a bed of spinach, and we just call it the chickpea spinach rice bowl. Okay, I thought I was going to make a roasted garlic pasta sauce rainbow veggie pasta, which you see right here. It is a low fat of pasta sauce, although I decided to do without it and made it for my honey, and so he enjoyed that as a regular spaghetti with meat. But as you know, I'm doing plant-based in this video, and also I've been doing this for the last 2 months. So sauteing again in water, no oil, and all the colors, that's why I call it a rainbow. It just becomes a beautiful dish on top of the whole wheat grain pasta that I also boiled with water and drained. And you can see here, this is without the tomatoes, and then also I have a photo here with the tomatoes. So you can mix and match the way you like. It's a yummy dish, and you can go without the pasta sauce or you can go with it. Yum. The next day I swapped out with black beans and brown rice with the pasta, and there's my new dish for the day. Not so instant, but using my Instant Pot with potatoes, carrots, onions, mushrooms, and of course my favorite spinach. Slicing all the vegetables, as you see, this is the cut size that I do on the cubes for the potatoes, and these are the only carrots I had, so I took them and I ran with it. I put everything into the pot, and of course it is all cooked in one area. That's what I love about the Instant Pot. And after I chopped up everything, then we're gonna make the magic happen. Spices are the key. I'm putting in my vegan broth base, and also adding in about 6 to 8 cups of water. And then I added in a teaspoon of Dijon mustard, squeezed in lemon juice, and also I did put in some garlic powder as well as onion powder. Set the Instant Pot for 15 minutes, and there you go. yummy. Putting in the spinach, as you can see, and I'm going to add in what I had already in the refrigerator is my almond milk, and some type of non-dairy milk is good to add in to get the creamy taste. And so quick, there it is, a yummy, very hearty potato soup. For dessert, apples with cinnamon. That's always been my favorite, and that does it for me for the rest of the week on a daily basis. Thanks for watching, guys, and remember, the recipes are in the links below in description box or on my website, Reg Edited. Thanks for watching.